A high alert has been activated for 9-year-old Felisa Prussia of Bottom Yard District, Bath St. Thomas, who has been missing since yesterday. She is of brown complexion, slim build, and approximately 4 feet 6 inches tall. Reports from the Bath police coming into our news center are that Felisa was last seen at home at approximately 7:10 p.m. wearing a white blouse and blue shorts. She has not been heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Felisa Prussia is being asked to contact the Bath Police at 876-703-4021, Police Emergency 119, or the nearest police station. The St. Thomas Police have listed Davian Bryan of Bath St. Thomas as a person of interest. The police believe Bryan can assist with a critical ongoing investigation. Davian Bryan is being asked to report to the Morant Bay Police immediately. Bryan, or anyone knowing his whereabouts, is being asked to contact the Morant Bay Police at 876-982-2233. Crime Stop at 311 or the nearest police station.